Hey guys, welcome to data structure and algorithm using Java. I am Ripon Dutta. Now I am going to show you how to use circular array as queue. So let's get started. Alright, let's say we have an array with size 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and the position is 0 to 5. So in this case, this is front and this is rear. That means at this position we don't have any value. Whenever rear equal front, that means there is no data. Let's say now we have a value, so 5. So in this case our rear should be next one. Then let's say we have another value, then our rear should be next one. Now how can we calculate that the array size, I mean queue size? Well, there is a formula which is n minus front plus rear, then mod by n. So our n is 5, front is basically 0 and rear is 0, 1, 2. So mod by 5, which is 7 mod 5, that means 2. That means our queue size is 2, which is correct. Now let's say our value is right now in this way. We are inserting our value 9, 10, 10 again, 8. So our rear is going on this way, and sometimes we are removing the front value. So right now our front is over there and we have another value 7. So our rear is right now here. Whenever rear equal n on the time, we can set the rear into the first whenever this is free. So this is like a circular array. Right now there are two positions free, so we can set the rear equal 0. So how can we get the total size in this position? Well, we have the formula which is, so we can calculate 5, n equal 5, then minus front equal 0, 1, 2, then plus and rear equal to 0, then mod 5, which is 3 mod 5, that means 3. So we have 3 value. So we can get in either ways that can be rear in the first position, front in the last position, or it can be front first, rear last. So this is a formula. How can we calculate the size, I mean queue size? So whenever our data like 6, then rear is over here. Now let's say we want to put it here, we want to put a value, so but we don't have any more space, so we need to resize the array. So then we can resize this array into double, which is 10, and we can put the value from front to rear. That means 9, 10, 7, 6. So we can draw this picture so it will be easy for you. So we can say 9, then 10, then 7, then 6. Alright, so now our array is this one, which has 10 position. So this is the way how can we use circular array as QE. Now let's get started with Eclipse. Alright, this is our Java project circular array. So let's say private integer array, then private integer front, private integer rear, and private integer size, or n. Let's say n. Alright, then public circular array, the constructor, let's say n equal 5. So array equal new int n, and front equal rear equal 0. Initially we don't have any value. So first we can make method boolean which is empty. Means return front equal rear. Whenever front equal rear, on the time there is no value. That means size is 0 or yep is empty. Then we can make another method which is size. So return n minus front plus rear mod n. Alright, so now I want to make another two method. First one is nqe, public void nqu integer x. So first of all integer, let's say s equal size, then if s equal n minus 1, then we need to resize this array. Okay, we will make it later. Otherwise array rear equal x, then rear plus plus, or we can plus plus it here. So if rear equal n, then we can set rear equal 0. Alright, so we can test it, but we need to make the resize method before going to test. So we can create another method which is deque. So integer deque if is empty, then return null. Otherwise integer x equal array front. So and if front equal n, then front equal 0 from the beginning. So we need to increase the front here, then finally return the x. Alright, now we need to build. Before going to build, we need to make another method which is resize. So private void resize. So first of all, integer s equal size, array size, then n equal 2 into n. We are doubling the size, array size. Then integer last index should be s plus 1. Now integer array equal new int which is n, and integer I equal 0. So while s greater than 0, s minus minus every time, array I equal array front plus plus. So that means in the new array we have to insert from the previous array from the front value. Front is 9 goes first, while I equal 0, then I plus plus, that means I equal to 1, and that position front should be now in that position, then 10, then 7, then we need to go after 7 from first, that means front should be 0. So if front equal last index, then front equal 0. That means this one. After 7, front should be 0, then 6, then front should be in that position. Alright, so finally rear equal I. That means rear should be this one, this position, and front equal 0. That means front should be 0 in that position 9, and array equal new array. Alright, now we can test it. So circular array ca equal new circular array. First of all, ca dot nqe, let's say 5, then ca dot nqe 7, ca dot nqe 10, so, and ca dot dqe. Finally we can print while ca is empty. While ca is not empty, we will print sysout controller space ca dot dqe. Alright, so first we comment it the DQE line, then run the 5 7 10, and if I DQE, then what would be answer? 7 10, because DQE, it will remove the front value which is 5. So we can now debug it. So make a breakpoint, then press F11. Alright, now press F5. Okay, again F5. Now n equal 5, front 0, rear 0, so it will return 0, because 5 mod 5 is 0, that means there is size is 0. So in the rear position it will insert the value which is 5. Yep, this one. Then again press F5. Now press F6. You can see size equal 1, because we have one value in the array. Then again put it here, 7, then 10. Now go to DQE, F5, from the front position. Front is 0, so in the array we have 5 10 5 7 10, so we need to delete the 5 front value. So just take the x value, take the front value which is 5, then front plus plus, that means front is now 1, then return the x. Alright, now if we want to print it, go to the DQE. In that position our front is 1, that means we have the value 7 10. 10 is the real value, so 7. Again front is now 2, that means 10, and so on. Now CA is empty, because rear equal 3, front equal 3. Alright, now we can put more values like 15, 25, 7 again, and so on. 3. Now press F11 again, then in that position we have inserted 5 7 10 and 3, then degree 1 removed, 5 removed, so we have 7 10, then 15. Now insert in 25, that means you have now right now 4 values. Now I want to check this value, so press F5. What is the size? Size is now 4. That means in that position we have filled up first 4 value. Actually not like that, this one, and this one. So now what we need to resize the array like this one. We have already 10 5 7 10 15 25. Yep, so resize. How can we resize this? First we need the size 4, then n equal to twice 10, last index s plus 1 which is 5, then make a new array with new size 10 size 0 to 9. Then we need to shift the array value to the new array, so front is now 1. So our new value are shifting to the our old values are shifting to the new array. Now you can see our array is 7, 10, 15, 25. This goes from 7, 10, 15, 25 because 5 we already removed, decreased. So rear is now this position and front is this position, which is 0. So rear is I and front is 0. So rear is 4, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one. Alright, or you can make it only I, no problem. Then we are inserting our new value into array 7. Alright, then 3. So it will insert next after 7. So this is the way how can we make the circular array. And we can circular the index position whenever there is a free, like this way. Front is over here 9, 10, 7, but we have free this two space, so we can set rear equal to 0. Then after putting one value we can set rear equal 1, but in that position we cannot put any value because we do not have any more space. So in that position we have to resize the array. Alright, so this is the way how can we make a QE using circular array. So 7, 10, 15, 25, 7, 3. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if possible make a positive comment in the comment box and share this video. Thank you. See you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.